Hey guys, welcome back to Streaming Nerds, and I'm back with another video tutorial. And in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can set up PVR IPTV simple client on your Kodi. And here is what you need to do. As you can see, I'm on the home screen of my Android device and I'm gonna go into Kodi. So as you can see right now, I'm inside Kodi, and if I go down onto TV section, and you can see in here it shows you did not set up PVR yet. In order to use PVR, choose a PVR client add-on and configure it. So I'm gonna show you how you can set it up and configure it. And for that, you need to go on to add-ons section here. So click on add-ons, and in here go on to my add-on, and in my add-ons you need to go on to PVR clients. You can see there is the icon for PVR clients. Click on it, and now in here you can see there's a list of PVR clients, and you need to go down to PVR IPTV simple clients. And now I'm on the PVR IPTV simple client, and you need to press OK on it, and then in here you need to enable it. And you can see there is the enable option. You need to select it and press OK on your remote. So now it has been enabled, and if we click on it again, it will disable it because now it is showing disable option here. So if we click it again, it will disable it. So we don't need to do that. We have enabled it. So now we will go back to the main Kodi screen. So let me go back. I'm back to the main Kodi screen, and now you need to go on to settings in here. So at the top, click on the cog, and then in here go on to PVR live TV settings. Click on it, and then in here you need to make sure that you are on the expert settings. So you can see at the bottom in here, you can see it is on standard. So if I click on it, it becomes advanced, and then if I click again on it, it becomes expert. So keep it on expert, and after that go again on to general, and then in here you need to click on clear data, and then it shows you this pop-up window. You need to click on yes, and then on the left hand side go on to guide option, and then in here click on clear data, and then it again shows us this pop-up window. Click on yes. So we are done in here, and now we will go back to the main screen of our Kodi. And now we need to configure our PVR IPTV simple client that we just enabled. So let's go into add-ons, click OK on it, and then in here go again onto my add-ons, and in here go on to PVR clients, click OK, and in here go on to PVR IPTV simple client, click OK. And then you get this window, and in here click on configure. So now on this window, as you can see, we have some options, and in here you will be adding your .m3u file, or you can directly also add your internet address of that file. So as you can see on the location tab, we have remote path internet address. So that means you will need to enter the URL in the second option, which is M3U playlist URL. So if we click on the M3U playlist URL, so it gives us this pop-up window where we need to enter the M3U playlist URL, the direct internet address. And personally, I do not have a M3U playlist URL right now, but I do have a M3U file. So what I will do is I will just go back, and in here on the location setting, I will click on it. So after clicking once on location, it now shows local path include local network, which means you can add the M3U file from your device or from your local network. So I will go on to the second option, which is M3U playlist path. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on external storage, and in here I will go on to downloads because I have downloaded the M3U file. So I will click on it, and in here I'm going to scroll down to my file, and here is my .m3u file. You can see there is a .m3u extension to this, so I'm gonna click on it. So we have added the file in here, and you do not need to do anything else in here. So just press OK on this window, and now it gives us this pop-up window. In here it says needs to restart. So you need to restart your Kodi. So I'm gonna press OK on this window first, and you can see at the top right side it's showing IPTV 67 channels added. So let me go back to the main Kodi screen, and from here you need to go on to the top left corner, and you will see this icon, which is the power icon. I'm gonna click on it, and it shows the option exit. So I'm gonna click on exit. So I'm back to the main Android home screen, and now I'm again going into Kodi. So I'm gonna click on Kodi again. So we have done a proper restart of our Kodi as we were instructed by the PVR IPTV simple client. And now if I go on to TV section here on the left side, so I'm gonna go on to the first option, channels, click OK on it, and you can see we have lots and lots of channels in here. So now in here I'm gonna play a few channels, and you will get the idea how this works. So let me click on UK BT Sport 3, and I'm gonna click on the right side area, and it opens up in the full screen.
Yes.
Well, that's working great. Let's try out Sci-Fi HD. Well, that's also working great. E-Entertainment. Wow, guys. So that's enough about playing the channels, and I think you get the idea how this works.